Oh, good morning. Unfortunately, I forgot most of my baits for today, but thank God I got a little bag of baits. So we'll see if they're biting. I'm not planning on being out here long, but this is literally the Everglades. See what today brings us. It's nice when you're able to just beach your boat. Right there. Come on. Oh, there we go. First fish on the fly. Oh yeah. That's awesome. You choked it too. Oh yeah, trophy right there, baby. I wonder if you guys got to see it. Oh, there's an Oscar. Oh. Oh, nice. Cichlid. Oh shit, get away from me. Horsefly. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Pretty low cichlid. Awesome. All right. Oh, fish on it. Got him. Oh, it's a good one. Get out of the grass. What is that? It's a mine. He just really wants to shake me off. It's a nice mine too. Damn, he's not coming up. Oh yeah. Pretty fish. On a little rat fly. Awesome. Oh, got a fish. Ow. Trying to stay out of the reeds. Oh, he got off. I know it won't work, but I kind of want to get a gar on this. Not that it won't work. I think they'll hit it, but I don't think I can set the hook on a gar. But yeah, like red fishing or snook, I feel like you got to be almost snap the thing because they're just gonna nose it. So you guys can tell me in the comments what's the best way to hook set with a fly. Please let me know. Oscar, I haven't got an Oscar yet. Oh, take it, take it. Oh, got a fish. Didn't even know I had a fish on. About to pull in the bait. Biggest fish so far. Oh no, the cichlid was bigger. Yeah, this little bait. It's getting it done today. Nice. Let go, come on, just let go. Jesus. Okay. I wonder why it's an Oscar. Oh, it's a mine. What is that? Freaking out, dude. Freaking out, man. It sounded like it came out of the tree. It didn't sound like it was on the ground. That's the weird thing. Oh yeah. Got a fish on. Cichlid. I've hooked six fish within, almost 7. 6 fish in 25 yard span. Because, I mean, they're all dinks, but still, it's fish, catching fish. But, oh, almost had another one. They're just playing with it. But, yeah, I guess it's true. Don't go look for fish, because I went another 25 yards up, started getting no bites. So I was like, let me turn around, come back here where I lit it like that, where I was in them, and boom. Cichlids love the fly. Gotta get some more. I think I only have one other one, but it's double or triple the size. Ooh, he is poking me. Such a pretty fish. Yeah, this little, I think they call it the, it has a Z in it. Some minnows with a Z at the end or something like that. Fly. All right, just grabbed one of these. What's it, a Big Easy? I think it's just the, yeah, it's the 6.5 inch Gambler swim bait. Smells like garlic bread. But I'm gonna troll this guy behind the boat. This is the Killer G. It's great color for Waxahachie, Everglades, this really stained water. But even though I'm barely moving, I'm gonna troll him behind the boat. And see what comes from that. They are. Oh, they're on a bed, that's why. Those big, I want a tilapia, one of those Mondo tilapias to hit. Oh, had one. There you go. Yeah. Oh, this one, what is that? Cichlid. Damn it. There's a big tilapia on that bed, two of them. I thought it was that. Oh, that's a nice Oscar right there. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Oh, got him. Oh, yeah. I just threw my bait in. That's what I wanted. And that's a big guy. Sheesh. All right, chop this and get it now. Yeah, see, that's what I want. That is a nice Oscar, bro. God, you gotta just love Oscars. They fight so good. I want to get a picture of you. All right, around the line. Okay, chill out, my guy. I'm gonna let you go. Just give me a second. Such a pretty fish. See how big you are. Jeez, slap me a hand. Yeah, he's about 11 inches. Pretty fish. That was awesome. I literally just let go of that other fish I had on and just threw my bait in. I didn't even cast it, just tossed it back in the water. Oh, got a fish, got a fish, got a fish. Nice bass. Is he gonna jump? I don't know if he's in the grass or if it's just a really nice fish. Oh yeah, it's a nice bass. Oh, he choked it. Not a mondo, but for here, it's nice. Damn, he choked the fuck out of it. Oh man, oh, they're in my pocket. I was gonna say, when I jumped down for that bass, I think I lost the pliers, but they're in my pocket. Are you cichlid? Of course the sun goes away, what I'm looking for. But yeah, that's something that would destroy the fly. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a good one. That's a real good one. Come out of the grass. Oh, nice, nice. Wrapped up. Damn, this fly's getting it done. Biggest fish on the fly so far. Oh, it's right there at the tip. Ow, he just bit me. Nice mine cichlid. Well, I got my there you go. There's so many cichlids down there. God, these are nice ones too. Whoa, you got me good. Ooh, he double punctured. Yeah, they got these. You can see them, they look like spears on the bottom fins. You know what, just for that, I will just shake you off. Yeah, you got me. Got me pretty good, my guy. This is so much fun. There's so many cichlids. Look, I could probably grab another one out of this little cove. You just gotta let it sink. That's the thing, they're sitting on that bed. Now I'm up on my cooler and there is panfish galore. Big white tilapia up there. You guys should be able to see him. He's pretty white. I mean, there's just zillions of fish in this cut. Right now, since I'm trolling that bait, I want to kind of target a fish. There's a mine cichlid right there, staring at me. But I want to go after a mudfish. If I can find a mudfish, I want to throw the fly on it. If not, the swim jig. And I really, or you know, obviously big bass. Just bigger fish. Like if it's going to be the tilapia, cichlids, or Oscars, I'm going to look for the big ones that I can really see into the grassland on this cooler. But I'm just going to keep moving. Basically search for the fish I want instead of just catching them. I mean, I already hooked into like 10 fish already. So now we're gonna get picky. But finish this beverage, then we'll get back to it. Yeah, if I give any tourists, Florida people, any person coming to Florida to fish, one word of advice is stay hydrated. I mean, I don't care how fun it is, how pretty the site is, all that stuff, man. God, hydration is, oh, that's a good fish. Oh, it felt good. Hydration is key to just being comfortable and all that. I couldn't tell you how many times I came out fishing and left or went home, or while fishing got a migraine or a headache and felt fatigued and all that just because I was dehydrated. Like I said, just one word of advice: it's just too hot in Florida, man. It's too humid, too hot. Even during those winter times and all that, you don't know with the humidity here. It's a killer. Just stay hydrated. These two older gentlemen on a flats boat just passed me, and they just said that they were only out for an hour and a half, and the one guy in the front didn't look too well laying down. He says it's too hot. Then he pointed at his friend. I'm guessing he tapped out from the heat. But man, just bring more waters than you think you need, and just keep drinking. Ooh, Mondo Oscars. Oh, we're gonna hook up here. I can. And 3, 2, 1. And the cool thing about the fly is it doesn't really. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Get out of there! Get out of there! It doesn't really disturb everything else. I mean, that one's following him, so like he's like, what's going on, my guy? Ooh, it's a nice Oscar too. Good size. Whew. God, I need to just start using the pliers. That's the second time I got slapped and stabbed. Or just keep a towel on me. That's what I should do. Just keep a towel on my waist. I have one that's on a clip. I don't know. Actually might be inside my haul, but the cichlids kind of stopped biting. Just saying something. Oh, hello. A bass. What the hell is behind it? I swear something was trying to eat it. Definitely the biggest bass on the fly. Nice. Yeah, I couldn't tell if that was a mudfish or another bass. It looked like it was trying to eat it. Nice. Woo-hoo. Whoo. Oh man, there's a gator right there, gator swimming right there. Oh, I really need to get this tie down. So that was sketchy. Fuck, I got that on video too. That was right there. Thank God I looked where I placed my foot, because I would have stepped right off the boat. Catching fish right in front of gators. Don't worry guys, he got away. I don't know if the next one will though. the bigger bass I caught on the fly. Let's go back in this little cut. I know it's super shallow, but fuck, trolling that bait. Let me see if they'll get spooked if I get up on the cooler. Oh my god. I got the trolling motor, literally you could hear it slapping the top of the water. That's the only way I get back here. And there's gators. Oh. I mean, fish central back here. Look at that. Plethora of fish. Don't hit that. Let me see how far back I can go in here. Oh, that's a nice bass. Jesus, so pretty too. Ooh. Let's see if I can get an even higher view for you guys. Look at that. I mean, it baffles me how many fish are back in this flat, especially gar. I mean, it's all gar, mostly gar, but that is insane. Thousands of fish right here. For the saltwater guys, it's like being in the middle of like the mullet run back here, but gar. All right guys, we just got done fishing for today, and pretty awesome day on the fly. Definitely learned a bunch. Still could use some pointers, and if you guys know anything that I did wrong or see, I know I'm gonna get a bunch of, oh, you did that, you did this. But to help me fly fish a little bit better, just leave a comment. Got a couple on the Cinco and the speed worm, and the one big one on the swim bait trolling. So all around pretty good day. Didn't get the mudfish like I wanted to, but hey, I can't complain. I caught like 30 fish total. Most of them, probably 20 of them were on the fly. So, but yeah, we're heading back to the boat ramp, and it's hot. It's about to rain. Just saw a bunch of lightning, so I'm trying to beat that. But yeah, just got back to the boat ramp, and it looks like we just about to miss all that. So that's awesome. But get you guys up on the next video, and yeah, did pretty good today. Peace.